Hey everyone, back again. Another quick SolidWorks tutorial, and we're going to look at this little part here today and how we make it. So it's using all features I hope we're sort of familiar with now and just need to practice a bit more. So it's looking at our 2D sketching, extruding, filleting, and another handy little feature called offset. So if you go into SolidWorks and create a new part, go to your front plane, go normal 2, select sketch. From your origin, draw a line out and draw a line at any angle. Then select fillet, select this point and enter 25 millimeters, 25, select OK. If you come up here to your sketch ribbon and select offset and drag over everything, offset copies everything and creates another line. So if we offset by 20, select OK. Then we want to come up here to our circle. Below circle we have tangent arc. We'll put a tangent arc between both of these points. Then we want to close our sketch up here. So now we've got as far as this. We're going to dimension what we have and what we do. So if we select this line and come perpendicular out and change it to 60 millimeters. And if we select this line and this line and update this angle to be 140 degrees, we'll see our part move. Okay. And then the only little part we have left to mention are these black lines. So if we select it and put this black line to be 45 millimeters, we select OK. And we can see now our part's fully defined. So if we handed that over to a technician in a workshop, he or she would be able to draw it for us. Next thing we want to do is select a straight slot from that midpoint, drag it up, okay, and just draw your slot. This would get a little tricky if these lines weren't parallel. So if we zoom in here, if you click that center line, hold Control on your keyboard and select this center line. If you come over here and select parallel, see the way that's moved slightly? So it means that slot is now sitting perfectly on the center line. So it's equidistant here and equidistant here. So now select it. We're going to make that slot 43 millimeters. Select your tick. And the only other thing we need to do is say how big that slot's going to be. Sorry, spun my mouse wheel too quickly. Select our center line out to that edge, and for that we're going to put in 3.5. And again, we're fully defined here, so we've included all the dimensions needed to redraw that part or recreate it. So now, double tap your spacebar, go to your front plane here. If you hang over them, it'll tell you which plane we're on. Hang over front, select it, and zoom in slightly. So that looks to be the right shape. If we select features, extrude boss base, and we want to make it 35 millimeters in thickness, select there. And again, we can change the direction of that boss or base if we select these arrows. For this one, we'll have it going that way. Select your tick, and we're done. So hopefully that was a simple enough little part. People are starting to get their SolidWorks skills more and more up to speed, and we're ready to start getting on to more and more difficult parts. Again, if you have any questions, give me a shout. I'm more than happy to help you. But I'll leave that part there, and thanks for watching.